Hello everyone, welcome to 11 HUMSS 3 Empowerment Technology tutorial. For today's video, we are going to give you an overview of Quizlet. But before that, let me introduce to you what is Quizlet. Quizlet is a mobile and web-based study application that allows students to study information via learning tools and games. Its creators claim that it is currently used by 2/3 of high school students and half of university students in the United States. With Quizlet you can make your very own sets of online flashcards. Use these sets in a variety of ways to quiz yourself on any number of topics. Feel free to utilize the millions of sets already produced by other members of the site or to create your own with pictures and words that are specific to your needs. If you want to know how to make your very own set in Quizlet, please continue watching. Quizlet is a very great companion on acing an exam. It can help you for easy memorization, for reviewing a lesson, for learning various topics and enjoy while learning. Go to Quizlet.com or download the application in your mobile phone and log into your account. If you don't already have an account, make sure to make one or you won't be able to save your set once you make it. To sign up, hit the button in the top right-hand corner. Step 2. Find specific topics you want to learn. You can choose from the major learning areas suggested by Quizlet such as arts and humanities, language, math, science, social science, or you can type specific topics. Third step. Create your own study set or flashcard. In just an easy steps. Type in a title and subject that correspond to the set you are about to create. Fill in the appropriate information. There are two sides to every flashcard, the term and the definition. You can use the auto-define option. When you begin typing a word into the box for the first side of the note card, an auto-define button pops up directly under where you are typing. It's up to you if you want to use this feature or enter your own definition. If you're done, click the check button and browse your own study set. That's all for today's video. I hope that this Quizlet tutorial will help you ace your examination. Thank you for watching. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe and share this amazing tutorial to your friend who might also need a guide on studying. Good luck!